So for the past 7 years, they've always been opposite. There's a super, super weird statistic that I'm about to share with you right now that I like. Look, I don't know if this matters or not. I'll let you be the judge of this, but it just came up just very, very serendipitously while I was recording this information because, well, it's quite fucking obvious. But if we go back through the past 7 Julys in Bitcoin's history, you'll notice that the month preceding July, June, was always opposite of whatever July was, meaning that in 2024, for example, June was a negative closing month and July was a positive closing month. In 2023, June was a positive closing month and July was a negative closing month. And in 2022, June was a negative closing month and July was a positive closing month. And in 2021, June was a negative closing month and July was a positive closing month. And I'll just cut to the chase here. It was the same thing for 2020, same thing for 2019, even the same thing for 2018. So for the past 7 years, they've always been opposite. Whatever June was, whether positive or negative, July was the opposite. And by the way, we did just see a positive closing June. And as we'll get into a little bit later, this does not mean that Bitcoin can't try a little bit of upside in July. In fact, I think there's actually a pretty good probability Bitcoin will actually go for a new all-time high here as well.